Welcome to your Filmora Creative Workflow Master Plan. In this video, I'm going to show you powerful tips to speed up your editing, stay organized, and unlock Filmora's full potential. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about organizing media. A messy project slows everything down, so here's how to fix it. Head to your Project Media panel, click the three dots for View options, and under Group By, select Type. Now, your footage, audio, and images are all neatly separated into folders. Open only what you need, close what you don't. Simple, clean, and efficient. Next, let's set up global media. If you've got sound effects or overlays you use all the time, you don't want to re-import them for every project. With global media, you can keep them permanently accessible. Just right-click, create a new folder, and import your assets. Now, no matter what project you're working on, those resources are instantly ready. Now, let's make keyframing faster. Normally, you'd go through menus to add keyframes. But there's a quicker way. Go just above the timeline, open the custom toolbar, and drag keyframes onto it. From now on, instead of digging through settings, you can add them with one simple click. That's a real time saver. Here's another workflow hack. Save your favorite effects, transitions, and audio clips so they're always offline and ready. Find an effect you like, click the little star icon, and it gets added to your Favorites tab. No diamonds, no clutter, just the tools you actually use. And yes, this works for stickers, filters, titles, transitions, even sound effects. Your go-to tools in one quick access panel. Nothing speeds up editing like keyboard shortcuts. Go to File, then Keyboard Shortcuts, and you'll see all the options you can customize. Some of my must-haves are undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, and duplicate. But here's where the magic happens. I also use custom keys for splitting and trimming clips. For example, Ctrl-B splits a clip instantly. Press Q to trim right, W to trim left. These little shortcuts can literally cut your editing time in half. Now, let's make sure your videos look perfect everywhere. Switch your project aspect ratio to 9:16. Then click the Social Media Mockup button in your preview window. Here, you can see exactly how your edit will appear on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. No guesswork, no reformatting later. You're editing for each platform in real time. Filmora's AI tools are incredible, but one of my favorites is Image to Video. Go to Stock Media, then AI Media, then Video Inspiration. Pick a template, upload your image, and choose your aspect ratio. Click Generate, and Filmora will animate your image into a dynamic video. No outside software, no extra subscriptions. It's that easy, and the results look amazing. Filmora gives you so much power when it comes to text, especially when you use the advanced text options. To access it, go to the Text tab and click Advanced. This unlocks tools you won't find in the normal text editor. You can adjust spacing, you can add custom animations, and one of my favorite features, change the text fill from a simple color to a gradient fill. This gives your titles a completely new look. You can also shape your text into a circle, or use the Bezier path to animate your text with smooth motion. And it gets even better. Filmora also gives you 3D text, which opens up a whole new range of styles and animations. There's honestly so much to explore here that I'll be creating a full tutorial dedicated only to text in Filmora. So, if you don't want to miss it, make sure you're subscribed. Here's where it gets really fun. You can add transitions directly to text. That means you're not limited to built-in text animations. You can apply cinematic fades, wipes, or even a glitch effect to your titles. The result? Dynamic, professional-looking animated text that gives your videos a unique style and energy.
And that wraps it up. 9 powerful ways to unlock Filmora's creative workflow. From organizing media, to AI tools, to advanced text, this is your editing master plan for 2025. Next, watch this video on masking transitions, where I'll show you how to take your edits to the next level.